What's up, traders? 4 trades today. Let's get to it. So we're watching WDC here. Gonna look to start a position. Looks like she's topping out. I hate when this comes up. All right, TOS doing its normal thing, not wanting to let us in. All right, we're gonna look to cancel this. It's making the move without us. Should have been up in the 70s somewhere. All right, we're going to cancel out of that. Would have been nice. Oh, TOS. So it just put us in WDC. We canceled that order like about a minute ago. It looks like it might have popped back up there, so maybe it filled us, but it shouldn't have because we didn't have an order there. We would have taken this originally on that first drop down towards 40.15. We'll see if we can get that to kind of mimic what we would have had. It's not looking like she wants to get down quite that far. Probably just take it here. 40.28. IAG was the other one we were watching. All right, so we're watching Dish here right off the scanner, going the opposite way. Going to take a starter here, 50 shares, 39.31. Wouldn't be surprised if she tries to shoot down towards 39, but it kind of felt like she was bottoming out a little bit there, and she is pretty extended. See if we can get like a quick rubber band type effect here. 59, 63, just kind of waiting for her to feel like she's done. 66. All right, we're going to take it there. Just saw the bid coming back down. And we got 61 there right in the middle. So I'll be happy with that. All right, traders, so that was my 2 trades on DISH as well as WDC. TOS just sucks. It's that simple. I don't know how people could actually trade their real money on this because I know it's the same exact way on the real side of things because I have the real time data and all that good stuff, and I've watched it on the non-simulated or paper account when using their charts, and it's just the same way. I don't know how people can day trade using TOS. It's just too laggy. But anyways, as you could see on Dish, we had a nice little scoop here on this candle. She came up, gave us that little bit of a rubber band effect. We actually caught the majority of the move. We got in at 31, which was right here, and out at 61, which is right here. So not too bad. And as you can see, she actually came right back down. This would have been a great entry as well. I was actually watching this, but I was looking for it to break down through 39 to get that real big extension, kind of like this candle here. But she ended up making a nice move back up as well. Pretty much the same type of deal that we were looking for. Over to WDC, as you guys had saw in the live trading, we tried to hit it the first time on right here. We were actually looking at a different stock when it actually filled us after we canceled the order. So not sure what that was about, but yeah. And the 2 I didn't show you were just because they were kind of boring trades that didn't do what I wanted them to do. I actually got in IAG at 337, looking for VWAP to fail. On this candle is where we got out at 336 because she actually went up through VWAP and failed and felt like she was coming because she got down to 330. That was 336 was her low. And we just kind of felt like she was stalling there. So I think we actually got out at the top of this candle. Yeah, because she went back up to 337, and it just kind of felt like she was going to maybe continue up. So we jumped out. It wasn't the trade we were looking for. We were looking for this thing to kind of make a quick move down. And we also noticed that this is a pretty heavily traded stock, so it wasn't going to be moving very fast. So we just jumped out, break even. And the other one was SGMS. This thing, we got in on this little spike here through VWAP. We actually got in at 2049. Just look, because it went over 50, I think, for a split second. No, it got to 50. So yeah, I remember this now. It felt like it was failing at 50, so we jumped in at 49, and we were just risking off of 50 and using VWAP as well, looking for this thing to push back down, and she just never did. So we set our stop at 52, and it got hit, and we got filled at 53. So that was that. Ended up with $37 on the day. 2 winners, 1 break even, and 1 real small loser. We're getting really good at risking our risk management. So I'm pretty happy with that and getting excited as we move closer to July 1st, which is when we're going to go live again. Actually just deposited the funds yesterday. So we're going to finish out this month on paper and just, continue to practice good habits. And come July 1st, we're going to hopefully start killing it. So like and subscribe, guys. I always appreciate the support. We're almost to the 250 mark, which is awesome. Questions and comments, leave them down below. I love talking to you guys, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Peace.